Another video to show you how to add a search bar to our dictionary activity. And what this will do is give you a little, right there, magnifying glass up here. And when you click on that, it's going to allow you a space here to type in. And you'll be able to, of course, select off your key or your keyboard. It's on your handheld app, or excuse me, handheld device. And then once you start typing stuff in there, it's going to narrow down your options. For example, here I typed in MO, and now I got mobile IP and I got modem. To do that, we're going to have to take and we're going to have to add another menu item. And being that we have one in here already, okay, our main menu, okay, we can take and add another one right here, a new, and then a menu resource file. We're going to call this menu underscore search, like that. It's okay. We're going to want to go to our text, okay? And I'm going to give you this code too, so you don't have to type it all in. This was actually built by, I'll talk about that in just a second here. There's our code right there. I'm just going to take and I'm going to replace. When you do this, replace this entire, right there, just like that. Okay? And this was actually given to me. I found this as a YouTube. I'm going to put a little comment in here about that. Okay, from that website right there, that's a YouTube. The only problem is that when the guy did this, he plays music in the background. He doesn't talk to about it, so it's really kind of unsure exactly how everything works. I believe we take and add this right here. We add this line right here, and I believe what that does, it goes out on the internet, HTTP and schemas and android.com, and it takes and gets this res auto, whatever that is. I believe that it gives you a bunch of tools that you can use in building your applications. We're going to create an item that the ID is going to be menu search. Excuse me, and the title is going to be search. That's going to pop up. You're going to see that. And it's going to have a little icon of this magnifying glass. Okay, and that can be found here. Okay, and then we're going to have this class. Okay, and I believe the search view class, once again, I believe comes from this right here. I think, I'm not sure, but anyway, it creates this search view for us. And then we want that to be shown all the time. Okay, so that will actually create that for us now. You can't really see it until you run it. Let's go to Java and our dictionary activity right now, okay, because that's where it's going to happen. This array adapter right here, we're going to be using this. We're going to be using that on the outside of this method here. So what we have to do is we have to make that global. I'm going to put that up here like that, semicolon. And being we created it globally up there, now we don't have to declare it down here. So let's get rid of that right there. Now I got a big chunk of code that we're going to paste in. And it starts out with @override. So it's going to be in line with the @override up here. Okay, once again, I'm going to give you this code online. Okay, here's the @override right here. It's going to go right here. Okay, after that, hit enter, Control V. It's got all kinds of issues. We got to import a bunch of stuff. Okay, this one here is just a normal one. And this one here, once again, to Alt Enter, and menu item, Alt Enter, and search view. Search view is one that you have to be really careful when you do, because you don't want to do the one that says this one here. You don't want to do that one. You want to do this one right here, okay? And I'm not sure why, but all I know is it doesn't work if you don't do the other one, okay? Or if you use the other one. So make sure you get the one that says Android widget, and it doesn't say V7. That one right there. Just like that.